All right, so today we're looking at a new, basically it's a folding Qi2 wireless charger. This is a 2-in-1 from the guys over at Satechi. I'm not too sure, but it is using the new Qi2, which is pretty cool. These things right now on Amazon coming in. This is Amazon Canada, I believe. Yeah, Amazon Canada. You're looking at, it's not inexpensive, right? You're looking at $108, $109 Canadian. So it's up there. But looking at specs wise, you know, it is, like I said, running the new Qi2, which is really nice, delivering up to 15 watts of charging power to your phone and an additional 5 watts to your AirPods, which is also good if you're someone that's just has AirPods in the phone, right? What else does it say here? Travel friendly. Yep. Sturdy magnets. We know it folds and compatible. It says, of course, like the iPhone 12 and higher. But really, if you do have one of the older iPhones or even an Android device, possibly, you know, if you get one of those little magnetic circles that you can put on the back of your phone, you just kind of need it to be placed right and put where the charger is, you know. And then you too can have MagSafe on your old device, sort of, kinda. And or your Android device. Anyways, this is it here, the Satechi. You know, it's always entertaining trying to get these here boxes apart. I try to be delicate, but it's not always the case. Yeah, $110. Now, can you definitely find cheaper phone/AirPod cases online? Yeah, probably. But they may not be quite as nice as this. Now, they also have a 3-in-1, which will include the an Apple Watch charger, which we will take a look at in a couple days. But for now, 2-in-1, right? So here you go, 2-in-1, foldable Qi2 Wireless Charging Stand. That's it. Looks like a recycled cardboard type box. And inside, you do get a little user manual. My guess is, hey, plug it in, and you're kind of good, right? So it does give you some specs and stuff like that here. Wireless charging for AirPods, 5 watt max, of course, 15 watts for your phone. But everything's big. It's in regards to manuals. Yeah, that's a nice manual. And you're gonna get the actual charger, and of course you're gonna get a decent size. Looks like a decent size USB to USB. Yeah, USB-C to USB-C cable. So that's important to know. Anyways, this is the beast. It's got some weight to it. That's hefty. That's kind of nice, you know. So it does have these little plastic dealies on it. If you want to, well, you should take them off when you have it. But there's your little foldy hinges. We'll look at that again, right? There's your foldy hinges. It's a nice hinges seam. Like they got some, you know, tightness to them, so they shouldn't like loosen over time too much, I wouldn't think. Okay, that's nice. And then this one should have another hinge. Cool. And then of course down here is going to be your wireless charger for your AirPods. Now I don't have AirPods, but it's got a little bit, you may be able to see that, a little bit of an inset, like it's sunken in a little bit, so that's where your AirPod case would be. And then, of course, last but not least, it's, you know what, it's not overly difficult. I just wanted to kind of show you these because if you're looking for one, maybe you're like, hey, this is good. And I don't mind the Satechi stuff. But anyways, and as you can see, it's got a good magnet for sure, right? Nothing wrong with that magnet. You can even slow turn because of the weight, because it does have some weight to it, which is good, right? But like, it's not hard to take the phone off. But you have to pull it, so that's kind of nice. And then you can put it, you know, in this orientation. You can put it in this orientation, depending on what you want, right? You can tilt it. You can tilt it pretty much completely, like vertical, which could be cool if you were doing like desktop recording stuff, where you wanted to have this up here, so you get some depth underneath it. That's actually not a horrible idea, you know, for those cool shots where you're doing video goodness, right? Yeah, you know what? It's a nice charger. Is it a $108 charger? Well, I leave that up to you, because again, that's Canadian, right? But you can put that like completely vertical or completely like horizontal. So yeah, it's nice. It's a nice charger. You know what? One USB-C port charges both. Should charge them fairly fast. And if you want to travel, putting this in your briefcase or your luggage or whatever, you get, you know, pretty thin as far as foldable chargers go. And you know what, you're going on holidays, you're going on a business trip, you're going back and forth to the office, you can throw that in your backpack, you can throw that in your bag, you can throw that in your pocket, right? See, watch. You can throw that right in my pocket. Look at that. Pocket friendly. Yep, that's all right. So watch maybe tomorrow's video, possibly, because we'll show you the 3-in-1. I don't think there's gonna be much of a difference, but we're gonna show it to you. All right, anyways, if you're interested in this, I will put links to Amazon. You guys can check it out. They make pretty good gear. I've been happy with their gear so far, and if you don't mind spending the money, there'll be links below. All right, guys, we'll see you guys next video. Later.